Wow. Oh, not me. Don't be falling. Why was my brother letting us do this? I'm embarrassed, honestly.
Got a bag and then I blow it, yeah. Got a bag and then I blow it, yeah. Got a bag and then I blow it, yeah. Got a bag and then I blow it, yeah. Got a bag and then I blow it, yeah.
Hi guys, it's Shante Tracey and we're back again with another video. Today, I'll be reacting to my funniest Real Jamaican Girls moments. But before I get into the video, guys, remember to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you get all the notifications when a new video is posted, and comment. Okay, so we're going to get into the video now.
I'm smart, sexy, and I'm confident. Of course people gonna talk about me. I was born and raised in the city. This is my time. Happiness means never having to apologize for being me.
Why are you back there to only put a carry on like that? Why my brother let me go on camera like this? I really thought I was one of those girls. Look at my edges. Can we talk about my hair though? It was giving flowing. It was giving silk press. Period.
Please, you wanna be like me? What's your variety? Me and you are on two different levels.
Catch a barber.
And by the way, you must look like your mother, don't you? Don't want to plan it. Don't come to want to plan it. Don't come to body. Fix that face. Fix that behavior. Fix that personality. So, yesterday, I mean, it's starting.
My hair. Guys, I miss Alia. Look at these. Look at where we're so little.
What you beat you? We can't deal with Maya.
Catch the hair again. Who was letting me do this? This wasn't okay. I really thought I was one of those girls. I was going through my white girl phase.
You're bright.
I was really that girl, honestly. I still am that girl. I'm so thirsty. The hair again.
She did. Really, Kanya? Really?
Why am I not a star? Why am I not a... Woo! Been that girl. Been that girl. Peak fashion right here.
Of course, not cable. But then now we're gonna all gonna see them on TV channels. You don't talk to me until like I use up everything. When I take up nothing. Yes, yes, I don't get that.
Can we talk about the fashion here? Me though, not the other girl. Hair.
Don't get bright, girl. But wait there. Say, come here, say you and Maya got into it. Make people so fast, man. Typical Jamaican. So the one Maya go with now, still ugly? People ugly than usual. You want social day wear? Oh my God. Get a trash. Yeah, but sue me. It's a season, the season.
I don't even remember this. Wow. Oh, not me. Don't be falling. Why was my brother letting us do this? I'm embarrassed, honestly. Hair. Hair.
I'm really upset, you know. Don't get me mad. And you need to come out of my face.
I was really serving with hair. Period. Why am I always fighting? I don't even remember this girl. Wow. My brother really lets us walk on the road like this? He's fake.
So you don't want to go walk? You know, see, I want 2 bucks away when you go to my sleep. Why are you sleeping 2:30 in the afternoon? Anyway, may I mix up the take? Give me the mix up. You reach Farsi?
Wow, in different clothes and everything.
Maya? Yeah. Oh, she trying to say no. She is Jamaican. Alive. Let me tell you what.
Why am I just like a secretary? I delivered that line so good. Anyways, it's to be expected.
Why you must be like say you might him always there? You ready? Not started?
I want to say you get. We are going to say you. No, you. I tell you, no, you're going to put that stuff. No more support, you know, Sean. And you, but you know,
Oh, no, wait, no, wait, no.
they got you, but you for the people that see. You know, that's just you and your people.
But you got from big to let's talk about be material.
And then there's a blue and stick up in it. It's not. You know, the money, wait a minute, come on, what's up?
This is personal. This was very prolonged. I don't know. Not her hiding. Where did she even get a bottle of water? Wow. So as you can conclude, I'm always fighting. But you know, not the cause. It just happens. Anyways, that's the end of the video. thank you so much for watching. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you so much. Please remember to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you're notified every time a video is posted. And don't forget to comment. Out.
Anyways, I'm sorry say this to you. I know you're sad and lonely.
Huh? Me don't need you to feel sorry for me and me to feel sorry for you. For the face you walk around with.
Your man never have a problem with it though. Sorry, your ex-man.
Look at you, your favorite manatee.
Bitterness don't cute.
It's cuter than you do.
You're not tired?
No, I'm full of energy.
Yeah, I think it might be my time to exit.
And you like what I just said? Well, click the subscribe button for more videos, more entertainment, more bashment, you see me? So like, share, do what you want to do with the video. Alright? Peace.